With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question gives that a wedge of mass m and a triangular cross section, that is AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 2R. So the triangle is an equilateral triangle. It is moving with a constant velocity minus Vj towards a sphere of the radius r fixed on the smooth horizontal table as shown in the figure. Okay, the wedge makes an elastic collision with the fixed sphere. The sphere is fixed here and returns along the same path without any rotation. Neglect all friction and suppose that the wedge remains in contact with the sphere for a very short time delta t, during which the sphere exerts a constant force F on the wedge. Here the figure is given and here two questions are given. Find the force F, also the normal force N exerted by the table on the wedge during the time delta t. Second question, let h denote the perpendicular distance between the center of mass of the wedge and a line of action of force F. Find the magnitude of the torque due to the normal force N above the center of the wedge during the time interval delta t. So this is a question and we need to find the force, the normal force, also the torque due to this normal force. Okay, so we can redraw, or I will give a layout for the diagram here given during the collision, and it is given as this is a figure. Okay, this is a figure which represents the collision. Okay, let me place this figure here. Okay, here we can see the components of force. Since it is an equilateral triangle, here we can take the angle is equal to 60 degree and the force is here, and here the angle become 30 degree. Okay, so this is a figure for the impact. Okay, then resolving the force, we can write resolving the force, we can write Fx is equal to F cos 30 degree and Fy is equal to F sin 30 degree. Actually, it is not Fy. We can write Fz. Here Z direction is another component of the force. Okay, since the collision is elastic, then what we can write, the collision is elastic, and since the sphere is fixed, the wedge will return back to the same velocity. Okay, the wedge will return back to the same velocity. Then the force responsible for the change in velocity is Fx. So responsible force for the velocity change is Fx. So we can write according to the equation. We know the equation that impulse is equal to change in momentum. We know this equation, impulse is equal to change in momentum. So we can write the component responsible for the change in velocity is Fx, impulse is a force into time, equal to change in momentum is mv minus, since the wedge returns back, it is minus mv. Okay, or we can write Fx into delta t equal to 2 mv. What is Fx? It is F cos 30 degree. So F cos 30 degree equal to 2 mv. What is cos 30? It is root 3 by 2. So F is equal to, we can write 4 mv divided by root 3 into delta t. So this is the expression for the force which is asked in our question. Okay, next one is a normal component. This is a force. Then we can find in the vector form. In vector form, we can write the force. In vector form, what is force? F vector equal to Fxi cap plus Fy. It is in minus k direction. Okay, so we can substitute what is Fx and Fy. I have written Fx equal to F cos 30 degree and into I cap plus Fy is F sin 30 degree in the direction minus k cap. What is F? It is 4 me, or we can take a common F. What is 30 cos 30? It is root 3 by 2 I cap Then minus sine 30 is 1 by 2 k cap. We can take f, or we can take the 2 outside also. So we get, what is f? 4mv divided by root 3 into delta t by 2 root 3 I cap minus k cap, or we can cancel the 2 and 4. So we get vector f is equal to 2mv divided by root 3 into delta t root 3 I cap minus k cap. So this is the equation for the force which is asked in our question. Okay, so next part is to find the normal. So we can take the equilibrium equation along the z direction. Equilibrium equation on the z direction. Equilibrium equation on z direction. On z direction. Then what is equilibrium equation? Force along z direction is Fy plus mg, which is equal to that normal. Okay, what is Fy? It is what is Fy? It is f sine theta, that is f by 2 plus mg equal to n. Then we can substitute the value. So normal is equal to, what is f? It is 4mv. Okay, so on substituting we get 2 to cancel, so 2mv divided by root 3 into delta t plus mg, which is a direction, it is k direction. Okay, this is a equilibrium equation, not equilibrium equation, equation for the normal. So this is our first answer for the first question. Okay, then we can analyze the third question. It is asked to find the torque equation, the torque due to the normal. So taking the torque equation, taking or equating the torque equation on wedge above the center of mass, wedge above the center of mass, also it is not rotating, we get equation force into distance, that is perpendicular distance is h into torque due to the normal component plus mgh is equal to 0, or we get force into perpendicular distance is equal to torque due to the normal component. We know that value of force, so torque due to normal component is 4mv divided by root 3 delta t into h. So this is the equation for the second question, the torque. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.